keys. And then look in the car. I mean, helicopter. Okay.
Gotta get out of the inventory.
Oh, my bad.
There. Oh, nice. Nice.
Black SUV underneath. Should we all roll in one car?
Let's get like 2 cars.
Oh, who's this? Some guy's driving straight towards us. Alright, guys, all hop out.
Should we hop out?
This guy will probably try to initiate or something.
Oh, there he is. The fuck?
What the fuck?
Why would
What's
he
he
do
doing?
that?
Oh my god, I filmed it.
God.
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
He's getting reported. He's getting reported.
Did you actually
Oh.
record it?
Yeah, I recorded it. Harry.
How did you record
What
it?
the fuck are you doing? I record all the time.
Wait, do you not lag?
No. This. What the fuck is he doing? You're a
He
goofy.
done it on purpose. He done it on purpose so I can
You're a
lose
little
my...
goofy, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you're gonna get count for that.
Yeah, man. Oh, sorry. You're gonna get deported from the island. Fucking idiot.
Yeah, I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue your ass.
For fuck's sake, that's my
Uh,
head.
Why
we're
would he
gonna-
do that? Like,
We're gonna ask him
honestly.
to give us money for our gear and for your helicopter.
And what if he doesn't?
We'll report him.
And then the server will campus.
Uh,
Right, so how are you gonna pay for this, sir? He's trying to talk, but I can't hear him. I
Who
can't
said
hear
I was
you.
paying for it?
You're gonna pay for it. You destroyed this helicopter. Are you hearing me?
So, when are you going to pay me for my car's repairs?
Your car's repairs? You're the one who did this. You're the one who has to
No,
face the
I'm
price.
pretty sure you were the one who did this.
Oh, you're pretty sure? Well, I have a GoPro on my head. I
As
filmed
you can
everything.
clearly see on the chat, your friend killed your mates by crashing your helicopter into my vehicle.
Well, I have a GoPro on, so we'll see what the bigger what God says about this. Oh, what's up? You gonna try and rob me? Fuck, Göran!
Oh shit!
Put your hands up.
With my gangs.
Hands up.
What happened? What are you killing us for?
The fuck are you doing? Honestly.
Who are you? You killed my buddy, haven't you?
Mate, I'm not the fucking boss of this game.
Yeah, keep your hands up. If you take your... No, I'm gonna kill you. The fuck are you doing? Honestly.
But I honestly, to be
The
honest
fuck
with you,
are you
I
doing?
thought you just blew my friend up and then.
Yeah, he
just
blew
thought-
us up and killed all of us and his heli. You're a fucking idiot.
Sorry, buddy. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Oh, shall I,
If I knew
call
that, I
a
would have
medic?
shot. To be honest with you.
Yeah, call a medic.
Hello.
What do you want?
What a fucking bunch of idiots. Like,
Could you
what
call the
fuck?
medics?
Yeah, medics is coming. You should have better communication next time, not just fucking going in and just fucking shoot.
Yeah, but I'm new at this island right now. I'm just new.
Yeah, well, I think your friend's gonna get deported, I'm sorry.
What? Why? Why is he getting deported for?
I'm gonna sue his ass.
Why? What did he do?
He crashed into my
He
heli on
ran
purpose.
right into his heli and destroyed it and killed us all.
Oh, what a dick.
Yeah.
Bro, did you just do that? No, I'm
Naughty, yeah.
friends with this guy over here, but I don't know these two guys.
But you have, yeah.
Well, one of them crashed into us, and we actually have it recorded.
Guys, if I knew that, 'cause I come over here and all I can hear is bang, and that's one of my teammates down, and I went in group chat, obviously. So I just come in here guns blazing. I thought you guys was killing him, like.
Just, like, if this happens, just fucking leave this guy, because this guy's an idiot. If he didn't even tell you anything about it as well.
Sorry about that.
Like, don't be with this guy then.
Oh, fucking retard.
Hur långt borta, how far away is the medic?
800 meters is coming.
Okay, nice.
600.
Do you have a gun?
What, mate?
Do you have a gun?